The distributive property is used to multiply polynomials. In this example, we are doing a binomial times a binomial. Bi stands for 2, so a binomial has 2 terms. Now, in this example, to keep track, we know that the x has to be multiplied by the first term and the second term. We must distribute each term from each parentheses. To keep track of this, we use what's called the FOIL method, F-O-I-L. The FOIL stands for first times first. The 2 first terms get multiplied together, so that is x times x. I'm going to add to this my outer terms multiplied together. So that's the x times the 2, that's 2x. I'm going to add to this my inner terms, negative 3 times x, so negative 3x. I'm going to add to this my last terms multiplied together. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Now I'm going to simplify. FOIL is used to expand. Then I simplify by combining like terms. X times x is x squared. There are no other squared terms, so it stays by itself. Now I have 2x and negative 3x. These have the same base, the same exponent, so they are like terms. When I combine them, I have 2 minus 3 is negative 1x. And then I have my negative 6. Please note that the negative 1, that 1, is not necessary, so if you'd like, you can write it as x squared minus x minus 6. As you practice the FOIL method, please take a careful look at the last term of your quadratic. This is a quadratic expression because x is raised to the second term. Look at the last term and the 2 integer values. Now look at the middle term and the 2 integer values. See if you can find the pattern. The last term with the 2 integer values and the middle term with the 2 integer values.